They really enjoyed the day today because they got to go in the London Eye. Also, they also got to meet different students who will be joining them as their colleagues, and they got to spend time together in this wonderful park.
So Ready for Anything is specifically designed to get students basically ready to start their university journey with us at Middlesex.
So I would definitely recommend people coming to the Ready for Anything programme because I think it's a great chance to meet new people. It's a programme that happens before you actually start uni, so you feel like a lot more comfortable, a lot more prepared.